Bismillah. The plural in Arabic, we call it al-jam'. Al-jam'. You know the word jum'ah? Jum'ah means gathering. It means like a group of people are gathering. So from the same origin. If I say jum'ah, it has the same root. Jim, mim, and ayn. Al-jam' has the same 3 root letters as the word jum'ah. Means gathering. Means we have a lot of people. So here al-jum'ah or al-jam'. Al-jam' means plural in Arabic. We have regular or what we call sound plural. In Arabic we call it al-jam'u salim. Al-jam'u salim. Salim. And we have irregular, call it the broken plural. We call it jam'u at-taksir. Jam'u at-taksir, the broken plural. We will talk about the broken plural later. It has patterns. Like if I say jabal, jibal, jamal, jimal, lu'bah, lu'ab. It has no fixed rule, but it has patterns. And most of the time you will know it just by practice. Listening, reading, you will know the patterns, or you will practice the patterns. This is the one we will postpone, the regular أو جمع التكسير. Today we'll talk about الجمع السالم. الجمع السالم is divided into groups. We have feminine one, المؤنث, جمع المؤنث السالم, and the masculine one. جمع means plural. جمع المذكر السالم. السالم means sound, جمع means plural, and المذكر means masculine. The feminine is جمع المؤنث السالم. جمع المذكر السالم, it's very easy. Simply we will add واو نون or ياء نون to the word. Like when I have واو نون or ياء نون. When I have the word like مدرس, it will be مدرسون or مدرسين, depending on the place of the word in the sentence. Like if I say هم مدرسون, they are teachers. In this case I use واو نون. But if I say قابلت المدرسين, I met the teachers. So I use ياء نون. So depending on the place of the word, I choose. Shall I use واو نون or ياء نون? مدرس مدرسون. So we have الجمع المذكر السالم. Now let's go to جمع المؤنث السالم. جمع المؤنث السالم, because it's feminine, so I'll make the words into sta مربوطة feminine, right? So what should I do here? I'll remove the ta مربوطة from the end of the word and put alif ta instead. What is the result? If I have the word, for example, the word we did today is the word ممرضة. ممرضة means nurse. It ends with ta مربوطة here. So what I'll do is to remove the ta مربوطة and put alif ta instead. So it will be ممرضات. ممرضات, nurses. So these are the examples of جمع المؤنث السالم. ممرضة ممرضات, سيارة سيارات, كزجاجة زجاجات. I'll write the masculine words here on the right and the feminine on the left, and you will tell me the plural form. Okay, let's start with the word مهندس. How can I make it مهندسون? مهندسون, مهندسين. مهندس, مهندسون, and مهندسين. Another word نجار. نجار means carpenter. نجارون, نجارين. Another word, محاسب, accountant. محاسب. محاسبون ومحاسبين. محاسبين. Okay, now the feminine one, the word سيارة, سيارة, car, سيارات. So what I did here is to remove the ta مربوطة and put ألف تاء instead. The bottle, زجاجة. Yeah, زجاجة, زجاجة. Yeah, it has double G. We have also كراسة, it means a notebook. كراسات. And we have the word مدرسة, the female teacher. مدرسات. مدرسات. That's nice. Alhamdulillah. So مهندس, مهندسون, مهندسين. نجار, نجارون or نجارين. محاسب, محاسبون, محاسبين. سيارة, سيارات. زجاجة, زجاجات. كراسة, كراسات. ومدرسة, مدرسات. So here simply the مدرسون, مدرسين. And we have عراقي, عراقيون, عراقيين. خباز, خبازون, خبازين. نجار, نجارون. مصري, مصريون. One more thing, or one of the most important thing, this exercise, how to make sentences feminine using the sound feminine plural. And they are here masculine, and you will convert them to be feminine. So in this exercise, we have masculine sentences, and we need to convert those sentences to be feminine. We will change the pronouns. We will change the sound masculine plural, جمع المذكر السالم, to be feminine sound plural, جمع المؤنث السالم. So the first example here I have هم مدرسون, they are teachers. هن مدرسات, they are female teachers. The same I'll do here. هم محاسبون, هم محاسبون, they are accountants. هن محاسبات, they are female accountants. I changed هم to be هن, means they for feminine form. نحن عراقيون, we are Iraqis. نحن means we for both male and female. So to convert it to be plural feminine, نحن عراقيات. نحن عراقيات. هم فرنسيون, they are French. هن فرنسيات, they are French too, but for feminine. هن فرنسيات. أنتم مصريون, أنتم مصريون, are you Egyptians? أنتم مصريون. أنتن مصريات, are you Egyptians? But for feminine. لا نحن كويتيون, no we are Kuwaitis. نحن كويتيون will be لا نحن كويتيات. I didn't change the pronoun here نحن because نحن means we for both male and female. هم مهندسون, they are engineers. هن مهندسات, they are female engineers. هن مهندسات. That's it. That's very important here. We deal with non-human plural as feminine singular. What does it mean? It means that if I have زجاجة, زجاجات, sometimes also we make like some words like زجاجة, زجاجات, اجتماع, اجتماعات, حيوان, حيوانات. This part is very important. Sometimes sound feminine plural is commonly used to make plural word for objects or ideas. يعني for non-humans. Like زجاجة, زجاجات. اجتماع, it doesn't have any ta مربوطة here, but I made the plural اجتماعات. حيوان, animal, حيوانات, animals. لغة, language, لغات, languages. سيارة, سيارات. ثلاجة, ثلاجات. So sometimes I make the word in sound feminine plural form, جمع المؤنث السالم, without having ta مربوطة. Like here the word اجتماع and the word حيوان. Non-human plurals in Arabic we deal with them as feminine singular. What does it mean if I say هذه سيارات? I don't say هؤلاء سيارات. I say هذه سيارات. These are cars, but I use هذه, the demonstrative singular يعني the singular demonstrative هذه with it. Or I can say هي سيارات, like she's a car, but it's a plural. It's a plural. So زجاجة زجاجات, اجتماع اجتماعات, حيوان حيوانات. The sound feminine plural in Arabic. We have we can use it for non-human words. Also, like the foreign words, like telephone, telephone is telephone, telefonat. Computer, computerat.